Hello everybody, you're going to probably hear Debbie in one office and our stylist at the top room. Jason, who's an ambassador for Hair for All, is going into the curly look. It's becoming quite popular. Now, his system sadly started losing hair very quick, so we use one of my what I call magic box systems. They're not stock systems, they're systems that if a client orders a system, let's call him John Smith, and I like the order, then I'll put quantity 3 and keep 2 for me for emergencies. And Jason's system has shed a lot, which we'll go through. So I've used a magic box system. And he said, I fancy a perm look. So Zoe has permed the system. And I've just attached it with lace tape at the front. But here you can see the lace tape, and you can see the reason I'm doing this is so you can see the quality, because the perm look will probably not be going back, so you can see the quality of the work. So we permed the hair in-house. Around the sides we've kept it around area 2, 4 and 6. We've left the wave. You can see that's quite straight, so that when it's cut in it will blend better with Jason's hair. Now Jason's had his hair cut short, so it's a bit of mix and match to get the look, because he hasn't grown his hair out here, like I said, in emergencies, but we'll get through it during the video and you'll see the end result at the end, obviously. There's Jay. There's Jay. Good morning.
Good morning.
Right, so Jay came in last week, like I said on the previous email, and the system had deteriorated. So we've used a magic box system, my magic box system, emergency. Jason's gone for a curly look this time because it's a fashion, which we're very grateful for. We've permed it in-house and we've left the sides straight, so it should blend. Now, Jason, you cut your own hair, don't you?
I do, yeah.
Yeah, so it may be a little bit too short. Let's have a look. Do you mind? No, it's not. It's perfect. Okay, so there'll be plenty of blending. So let's have a look. The colour. Look at that. The magic box system saves lives.
It does.
So we're going to do a lower fade, if you call it that, because of the weight of the curls. Is that right, Zoe? Can you say yes in that lovely accent of yours?
Yes.
There we go. Got a nice voice, haven't you, Jay?
Lovely voice.
That's what I always say that. Thank you for growing your hair out.
No worries.
Much appreciated. Might as well show off the award in the cabinet. That's 2.5 layers then, yeah? Zoe?
Yeah.
Lovely voice. Alright, so this cure is transparent, as everyone knows, and then the hair system will be applied. And we're using Ghost Bomb Platinum today. Let's have a look. Thank you. Nice tattoo. Well, I'm glad I didn't have a beer at football last night, because my left hand's really steady, Jay. Incredibly. That looks amazing. The reason I'm doing this is because Jay's going to have a forward look with the wave. Is that correct, Jay?
That is correct.
Well, that is fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, this is Jay. We've seen him before, but we were seeing him curly. Now, Jay pushed me for this. He said, "Why can't I have a curly system?" I said, "You know the script, Jay. You turn around and around." And so we've done one with an emergency magic system, and it looks absolutely fantastic.
Loving it.
All right, that is immense. So credit to Zoe, credit to Jay for saying, "Come on, let's go curly." And Jay kindly is going to do a load of videos for me, aren't you, Jay?
Absolutely.
All right. Okay. So I'll keep it short because you'll be getting a host of videos from Jay.